number you off 1 through 4, and you go to the corresponding table. Let's see if we can do this in 30 seconds or less. I know you can do it, 10th graders. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1. Okay, go to your table and open up to the corresponding chapter. That is the and we're number 6. Where's 3? Quickly, 30 seconds. Number 6. So just say that. Number 6. Number 1. No, this one. You're here. Keep going from there. Okay, guys, over here. So you know what chapter you're supposed to be. It says right here, so open that up. That is what you're reading. You guys are going to be the experts of this topic, all right? You're going to learn it, you're going to read it, you're going to know it, okay? Then you pick, depending on the size of your group, 1, 2, quote 1, ambassador, okay? The jigsaw. 1 ambassador that goes around the room and teaches everyone else the topic that you guys learned. So if you're learning about the Rhineland, you pick someone and they're going to teach the other groups. And each group is going to have 1 person rotating. They're going to be rotating. So you're all teaching each other what your expert groups learned. Okay? So you really, I'm going to give you 10 minutes, all right, to read through this and answer these questions. This is what you need to know about your topic. So you have all of it outlined for you. You should know the date, when it occurred, the background information, what's going on, what's the context of the time, who is involved, which countries are involved, or which leaders, what happened, basic summary. It can be bullet points here. We're just trying to get down to basic information. And why is it significant? This is always the big one. And remember, Ms. Corning talked about in your IDs. Why is this significant? Okay? And so as you go around, this is what you fill out as you go to the different tables. Okay? So you're filling it in these little boxes here. Alright? When the ambassador goes to the next table and shares their information, the people who are listening, they have a job too. They're writing their information down and then they're sharing what their expert group got to the ambassador. Does everyone get that? So that way the ambassador that you choose is also getting all the information as well. Alright. Questions? Okay, let's begin. Go. Okay, so you guys have this one. Okay, and there's a picture on the back too. Remember, these are the different causes that led to the war, so really understand how this is leading up to World War II. Why do you think France didn't want that to happen? Yeah, we're France right there. We're really afraid of that. Okay, so why is this a big deal? Yeah. to polish up what you're going to say, you got to have an ambassador to go around and share, right? And you're going to have 5 minutes. So you really need to focus on just telling the group these 3 important things, all right? And then the group shares with the ambassador what they found. Okay. Does everybody have an ambassador? All right. Get up, ambassadors. My ambassadors. Get up. And we're going clockwise. Clockwise.
I feel like I'm failing right now.
Okay. So you're keeping going clockwise, like clockwise here.
I got 4. So, okay, German, we are I don't know, so actually the date is in 1933. Hitler with her group from the that it's like Hitler used to be like threatened. He wanted and since then he started to like rearm the German, like he wanted to do like so okay. So you know what? Let me summarize it in one sentence. The German rearmament is basically Hitler rearming the German army to conquer more land. It's important because it shows the weakness of the League of Nations, and it's also important. It shows that Germany.
This is part of your job, right? You're presenting information. You gotta work with your group.
Germany was going to rearm, and it was against the Treaty of Versailles. It's important.
So Russia was alive, but it's actually very like passengers. Oh yeah.
Japan, like,
Okay, need you guys to return to your tables, your expert group tables. So I have the PowerPoint up. If you feel like you're missing any details, you can look through your book, or you can go up to the PowerPoint on Ms. Corning's blog. Thank you. And kind of fill in anything that you're missing. So these were the 6 that I picked out, the aggressive moves. I call them aggressive moves, if you know Lang's word, made by mainly Germany and Japan as well. And these are different causes that are leading us to World War II, okay? And how do they respond? How does Great Britain, how does the other great powers respond to these moves? What do they do? What did you guys find through all of them, essentially? Say it again? They didn't really do anything. They said, okay, that word appeasement. You guys should all have that word somewhere. Appeasement. Great Britain's policy of saying, Hitler, okay, we'll give you the land, or we'll give you your demands as long as it's within reason. Our main priority is to avoid war. Why do they want to avoid war? It's the Great Depression right now. We don't have enough money. We don't have enough. Our armies aren't built up. And they're still dealing with the effects from the first one, right? They don't want, everyone still remembers how traumatic that was. A lot of people still do, okay? Okay.